Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back again with another interesting and learning video. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to use this TradingView. Okay, TradingView is a platform where we can access multiple charts. It might be stocks, it might be indexes, it might be cryptos. Okay, any stocks we can access in this TradingView, and we can analyze the charts. We can read the charts. Okay, and how to use these tools and how to read the charts, I'm going to explain now. So before going to TradingView, let us see how we can open on Google. I'm going to show you from the starting. Okay, just type TradingView on Google. You will be getting a TradingView or TradingView login where you can click on charts directly. It will ask you to log in through your mail ID, but I have already logged in. That's why directly the charts are opening. Okay, when you open, it will be asking you to log in from a particular account, so you have to give your Gmail account. Now when you open the chart, this is the interface you are going to see. So how to read this chart, how to access this chart, let us see one by one. Okay, so if you want to see any charts, it might be stocks, it might be indexes, what you need to do, you have to search. Okay, first of all, on the left top corner you can see here Zomato. Here you have to click the search button and you can type any of the stock. Let us see an example of Tata Motors. Okay, I will type Tata Motors. You can see here Tata Motors Limited. You have to click on this stock, then automatically the chart of this stock will be opened. Okay, now the chart has opened. Now we have to see in different time frames. Okay, now it has opened basically with a 5-minute time frame. If I want to see how it has performed in last 1 day, last 1 week, last 1 month, I have to go to the time frames, which is, you can see here. If you click this, you will be getting multiple time frames. That is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Similarly, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, up to 12 months. Means 12 months to 1 candle. In this way, you will get multiple time frames. You can click on any of which is convenient to you. Suppose now I have clicked 1 day chart. We can see here, this is 1 day chart of this Tata Motor. Now we can see how this stock has performed in last 1 day. Okay, you can see the time frame below. This is Friday 21st June 2024's day chart. This is similarly 20th, 19th and 18th. This is completely 1 day chart. Whatever the price momentum here, you can see for 1 day. And similarly, you can access it for 1 hour or any time frame. Okay, this is 1 hour candle where the price movement of 1 hour will be captured. This is the candlesticks types. Okay, and you can select bars, you can select candlesticks or halo candles. Okay, this is the, so basically this is the candlesticks types which you are convenient or which you feel comfortable, you can select. So normally I use candles. Okay, this is best view for me and you can check about yours. Next we have indicators. So basically indicator means it is going to indicate the price which may be upcoming price, but exactly it is not going to predict the price. It is based on the candlesticks movement only, the indicator will be moving. Now let us see which are the indicators we can access. Okay, if on the indicator and go to the technicals. Okay, here you will be having multiple number of indicators. Whichever indicator you are good with, you can just click on that and you can access the indicator. Now let us see an example. I will click on this Bollinger Bands. Okay, this is one of the indicator. If you click on this indicator, it will be shown on the chart. Okay, how this is going to show, you can see here. Now according to this indicator, you can predict that the market is going down or up or in the consolidation phase. Okay, if you want to remove this indicator, just right click on your mouse and click on remove indicator, so it will be removed. Okay, now let us see the tools on the left side of this chart. Okay, the first thing is cross. This is our cursor point, which may be dot or cross or arrow, whichever you are comfortable, you can select. Next we have trending line tools. Okay, here we will be having number of tools where you can use this for drawing the trend lines or a horizontal line. Okay, basically I use only trend line and a horizontal line here. Okay, I will show you. Just click on this trend line, and if you want to draw a trend line somewhere, if you feel that the market is moving in a particular channel or particular trend, if you want to draw this trend line, so click on this trend line and draw this trend line as per your marks. Okay, again if you want to draw on the top, you can click on this again same trend line and draw where the price is touching on the resistance levels. In this way we need to draw the trend line. Similarly, if you want to draw the horizontal line for support and resistance, you can go for this tool and select the horizontal line. Click on this resistance level, then you will get a horizontal line on the resistance. If you want to draw the horizontal line on the support, just click on the level, you will get a horizontal line. Okay, then we have the parallel channel, which is also sometimes useful. Just click on this parallel channel. If you want to draw a parallel without these lines, you can draw this line, and if you extend this line, it will become a parallel channel, so that you can analyze the charts. And next we have Fibonacci tool. Basically this tool is used to check the retracement and levels of the charts. Okay, Fibonacci is the name of a mathematician who introduced this tool where we can see the levels. This can be drawn to mark the levels of the market, okay? And I will make a separate video on this tool because it is very lengthy. Then we have XABCD pattern, which is not more useful. And I'm going to explain about what are the most useful for your analyzation of the charts, okay? And we have forecasting and measuring tools, okay? This is the basically used to measure and forecast your trades, okay? Suppose that if I want to take a trade on call side, if I don't know how to mark stop loss and target, just you can click on this long position where you are taking, just click on that level and you can set SL according to this and also target, so that you can have easy access of your SL and targets. Similarly, if you are taking trade on sell side, go for short position. So you are taking trade on this candle, so click on this. This red zone will be your stop loss and green zone will be your target or profit. Okay, in this way you have to use these tools. Then we have this drawing tools where we can have brush, geometrical shapes, okay? Basically this brush is used to mark or write anything on the chart, okay? Then we have rectangle, which is most useful because it is used to draw the support and resistance zones, because usually we draw support and resistance from one line, but I prefer to draw support and resistance in a zone on a rectangle because market doesn't touches a single line, okay? It touches a certain zones. So you have to always mark the support and resistance with the zones, that is from rectangle tool, okay? Then we have circles, ellipse, path, okay? Circle you can mark for anything, and path, you can use this path to mark the price action levels or to find the lower lows and higher highs, okay? Next we have a measuring tool, which is used to measure the number of points or number of rupees the stock has increased. Okay, suppose if I want to check from this point to this point how much the stock has increased in 1 day or 2 days, just click on these points and you can see here 42.90, okay? 42 rupees it has increased from this point to this point. So basically this is a measuring tool. Then on right side we are having the stocks list, okay? Basically this is the stock list. You can add your favorite stocks or indexes so that you can access easily one by one. Okay, how to add these stocks, okay? You will be having a plus add symbol. Just click on the symbol and you can search any stock you would like to add. Okay, let us take an example of Zomato. Okay, I will add this Zomato. You can see here Zomato Limited. If you click on this plus symbol, it will be add to your chat list. Okay, I have already added this. You can see here. In this way, you can add your stocks which you want to observe. And then you have this full mode screen. We click on this, entire chat will be seen on your screen, or it may be desktop or PC. We have alerts. Basically this tool is used to mark an alerts at a particular price. Suppose that now this stock is trading around 1400, and if you want to buy this at 1350 rupees, so we can mark an alert on that, so that if the market reaches this 1350, you will get an alert to buy or to sell. Then other tools are not so much important. I think this much is enough to analyze the charts and read these charts. So I hope you understood about how to read the charts and how to use this TradingView. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.